Hey guys, welcome to Ray's Creative Corner. Today we're going to be learning how to make a wind shuriken. Hey yeah! Alright, so what you'll need for this video is some square pieces of paper. I'm just using sticky note, scissors, glue stick, pen or pencil. Now, where do you think I got this shuriken idea from? Welcome to Naruto. So, here is the demon wind shuriken. So it's a shuriken, but we're going to be making something like this, except it's not a demon and it's not a wind shuriken. It's just a normal shuriken. And as you saw before, it looks something like this. Okay, so let's start this video. Now, what we need to do is first we're going to get 2 pieces of square paper. Okay? We're going to be focusing on one for the moment. So, here we're going to first fold one like this way. Then fold it back. Fold. So we have one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now we've done that, we're going to get a pen or pencil. We're going to draw a circle in the middle and mark the lines coming from these square edges. Before we do anything further, we're going to get scissors and cut along our lines that we drew. Fold this in half. Cut along this. We have a circle there. Now, with here, we're gonna fold it like that into the creases that we've already made. So there's a crease here, as you can see. Right? We're going to fold this corner onto that crease. Also, guys, I'm encouraging you to buy Naruto. It's been really hooking me up for the last couple of days. I've been reading it again and again. It's like the best thing anime ever. And Harry, I don't think you'll agree. And while I'm doing this, I just need to give a shout out to Ishan. Thank you for helping me with some of my crafts yesterday. Okay, now with our glue stick, my bad, I forgot. First, before we start adding glue, we need to make this times 2. So we're gonna do all the steps that we've already done into here. But I'm gonna rush through this, and you guys can just watch the first one of how I made this one to learn how to make the second one. It's basically the same thing, really. So I've made all my creases. Now time to draw and cut. So I'm drawing it here. If you want it to be exact, like what I did with this one, if you want it to be exactly the same, like put this in there and trace it. It works, trust me. Okay, now I'm gonna cut all of these. And now I'm gonna fold this in half. When like when you fold something in half, it really kind of helps because it's symmetrical. You know what I mean? Cut this half. Sticky notes are kind of hard because it can rip because of the stickiness at the back. Kind of hard, but I'm dealing with it. Same thing here into the creases. once I finish these creases, it's where the glue stick comes in. Da 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 da. Alright. Now we're gonna get our original piece, chuck that in the bin. See how these parts, we're gonna glue them together. So we're gonna be gluing this first and stick it onto that. You've done one side. Gonna fold it there, stick this. If you're using a sofa like me, make sure, if you're doing it on like a surface, make sure the glue doesn't go onto the side, otherwise it can get messy. One more side to go. If it doesn't stick that well, you can re-glue it. Okay, now we're almost done. Time to make it look and pop out like this. So let the glue just stick. I think I need to glue this one again. Because sometimes glue can get dry pretty quick. Like I'm using Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue can get dry pretty quick. So you gotta be in a kind of rush. You see it kind of forming? Okay, so now, lastly, with your hands, put one hand in the middle and pop it. So you see it kind of popping? Okay, there you guys have it. Your own Ninja Shuriken. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later, guys.